on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I decided to take you guys shopping with me. I'm gonna go to Barneys to go ahead and see any last minute items I can get. If you guys don't know, Barneys is closing here in New York. I think the whole company is closing. There's like no more Barneys.com, no more Barneys warehouse. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what last minute items I can go ahead and find. I'm looking for a few things that I know that's missing in my wardrobe that I wanna go ahead and see if I can fulfill with Barneys. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna do whatever I can, but right now it's insane in there because I've been going, but I'm deciding to take you guys with me today. So I'm obsessed with these, and they're only $54. I wanted to use these as my gym sneakers, but I need a size 10.5 just because I like that extra little give. And of course, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. And they also have APLs, which I've never tried, but you know, for that price, definitely I would want to try. Again, I'm looking for a new gym sneaker, so any of these will probably do. I'm gonna go see what I can find, and I like this one actually. So let me see what I can find, and then I'll get back to you guys. I found these pair of Rhude denims. They are very, very interesting and I'm obsessed with them. Look at the bottom. They feature like these snappy buttons where you can pop out to make them either, you know, smaller for like a slim look or more like a flared look. You can unsnap them and they can go with boots or sneakers. And I'm obsessed with them, so I have to try them on. And here's the price of them. Oh my goodness. This is the jeans that I always wear, the 31's Kinetic by Joe's. If you guys are ever wondering what was the jeans in the last video, they are these, which I'm thinking if I should double up on them. They're 184 when 75% off. Ooh. I might do it. I might do it, you guys. Shit. I think I'm gonna get these for sure, 1000%. Just to re-up on them. These Rag & Bones and these jeans, and then these are the sneakers that I just tried on, but I think I found this one, which is so much more better. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna get these instead of the all black ones. So you guys, Barneys is a madhouse right now. You guys see how empty every floor is. You have to buy everything on the floor. They're not allowing you to even try on anything. This is what Barneys is turning into. And then it's just like the people are savages, they're beasts. So I'm gonna continue taking you guys with me and hopefully we can find something. Like, I can't believe they have all of this lipstick and garbage. This is just basically garbage. Like, why are they even selling this? And it's like 10 for $100. And they have like open boxes and packages. Like I would even touch that. But I did find a couple of goodies, so I'm gonna keep looking and then keep you guys posted, okay? So I just finished shopping. I'm about to go home and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything for you guys today, just to show you what I picked up. Barneys is closing February 28th, I believe. Very stressful experience. There's so many people. As soon as I get home, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. So you guys, I promised I was going to do an unboxing for you guys. So this is going to be this portion of the video. And I also just got a new camera. So I don't know if I'm in focus or if I'm not in focus. So bear with me while I figure this out. I got only 4 items, but they're like 4 amazing items that I did get. I want to go back to Barneys and do one final sweep through just because it was so hectic, as you guys could have saw. It was so many people. It was ridiculous. It was like a madhouse. So I'm thinking of going like on a Monday morning, like, you know, before work or like during my lunch break or something like that. To go down there to see what I can get because like it's insane. It's like so many people are grabbing everything. It's like ridiculous. They don't let you try anything on. Let me show you what I got. So the first thing is these pair of sneakers. They're by APLs. I've really heard really great things about this brand, and I needed a new pair of gym sneakers anyway, and I was like, you know, what the heck, they were $200 and they went down to $66, so I was like, you know what, let me give them a try. I did try these on in the video. I tried on, I think, an all black one, and then I spotted these, so I decided to get these instead. I'm a normal size 43 or size 10, and I got these in a 10.5 just because for gym sneakers I like that little bit of extra room for when I'm going running or when I'm doing like squats or something like that. So these are the first items that I got. The next item is this beautiful Saint Laurent shirt. It's like a beige see-through shirt. It's made out of, I think, 100% cotton, I believe. 100% wool. I think this is honestly, even though it's wool, I plan to wear this in the spring or summertime just like this, like a couple buttons open. It's very much see-through. It has a bunch of colorful stars all over it, and I really am obsessed with this shirt. Like, this is how it looks, and I think it's from, you know what, I don't even know. Let me just show you guys the details. It's from 2019's collection, and I got it in a size 39. I don't know if that's showing or not, but I got this in a size 39, and it is oversized, which I do not mind at all. The original price of this was $990, and I think, I don't know where the receipt is at. I think I paid like $200 or something like that for this shirt. The next item that I got were these pair of jeans. I know you guys saw me checking them out. These are a pair of Rhude denims. In my last video, I did do like a denim try-on video, and like none of them really kind of sort of fit, but I'm obsessed with the fit of these jeans. And then let me show you guys the details of them. Like, I love the details of this little button. Is all button closure. Then they have like this reinforced, like, you know, back over here, and then in the back you can see that they have this little sort of detail of it going slanted, just like the back pocket. So basically this is the back pocket, and it meets the slantedness of this. And then it also features these snaps on the side, which I'm obsessed with. So they can become like a slim pair of jeans, or if you want to open up the snaps, they're going to become like a flare pair. I plan on wearing these with sneakers and boots, any really thing. And I love that these are different. Like, they're not your typical blue pair of jeans, just because, again, I'm not a fan of how blue jeans look on me, but I thought that these were very flattering. So let me know, you guys, if you guys think that these are flattering on me. And what do you guys think about Rhude? I've never really ventured into them. And last but not least, this is the jacket that I got. Here it goes. This is a Givenchy blazer. I am obsessed with blazers, jackets, outerwear, a lot of those items I love. I'm obsessed with them. And I tried this on in the store before it went on sale. Original price was like $3,670, so basically a $4,000 blazer. And I'm like, I'm not paying $4,000 for this blazer. Like, I'm sorry, like, I'm just not doing it. So I held off, and then like all of a sudden I went in there and I spotted it again, and it was on like 70% off plus an extra 10, and then it was marked down even more. So I'm obsessed with this blazer. It's a little long, so I know it's a little bit different. It's not your typical blazer, but I also love fashion blazers. That's just not typical. I can wear this with like a white t-shirt, blue jeans, and a pair of boots or sneakers or anything like that. It just features this one button closure, which I'm never gonna button anyway. And then here's the inside of it. It's made out of, I believe, wool. And I don't even know, what is it made out of? So this is all everything. It comes with all of this stuff. So this is it's 100% wool with silk lining. So again, I'm obsessed with this. I cannot wait to wear it. It's a little dirty in the back. I probably got dirty from in the bag, but I'm gonna take it to the dry cleaner and we're gonna have fun wearing this, you guys. So those are all of the items that I got. Definitely let's have a comment party down below. What was you guys' favorite piece? What do you guys think about Barney's closing? Where will you guys be shopping next? Did you get anything from Barney's sale? If you guys have a Barney's next to you, let me know everything down below in the comment section. Let's have a comment party down below. I'm pretty sure I cannot find anything. But if I do, I'm going to definitely leave it down in the description box down below. But thank you guys so much for joining me in another video. Again, we're just going to, keep this as consistent as possible just because, I did miss you guys. I missed YouTube and I was like, you know what? You need to get back to it. So I did. So I hope you guys have an amazing, beautiful day. Peace.